Hey guys, Kelsey Smith here with Smith's Ridge. I am a homesteading, homeschooling, business owner and mama. We live in Northwest Arkansas. We've got a marketing agency as well as a small farm here where we have a farm stand and we sell raw milk and eggs, and we'll continue to expand those products over time. But I wanted to jump on today. I've been thinking a lot about just spring and the joy that it brings me. I have to say that I get a little bit of the winter blues between, oh my goodness, busting ice, getting out to milk in the cold, bundling kids up just to get everyone out the door. It can really be a pain. And when the sun comes out and everything begins to bloom and thaw, I mean, my heart, it just comes alive. So I really thrive in this season. This time of year is really my favorite. We have a lot of projects going on this time of year between the animals, the garden, getting things ready to plant, and already doing some early planting, those cold weather crops like carrots and lettuce, broccoli, cauliflower, those types of things. So already getting things prepared or already planted. And this afternoon, we were working in the garden. My oldest son just turned 13, which is crazy to think we have a teenager. As we were doing some chores, I let him help drive one of the trucks, which was an experience. Definitely an experience, which it was interesting that he was so nervous, I guess, with that, because he's been driving the tractor. I taught him probably 8 months ago we started with the tractor, and he has really been getting great at driving the tractor and is getting more and more helpful. So that is pretty amazing for him to be able to do that. But now we're going to start driving vehicles. They're practicing a little bit here and there. He's pretty excited about that. But we were getting some work done outside. It's kind of a different week for us. We're off school this week. I like to take off from homeschool every 5 to 6 weeks. I find that everyone starts to get thank you. Everyone starts to get to where they're really just needing a bit of a break. And so I like to do that. So we're off this week, getting projects done around the house. I came in to settle the little one in for a nap, and I knew I needed to make the most of that time by getting some laundry done and dinner started, and there's things done inside the house. And I was thinking about just how important it is to be productive with your time, and especially if you're a mama and you have a lot going on, that we have to make the most of our time, don't we, buddy? Yeah. Yes. And so I wanted to share with you a few things that I do to do just that. So some ways that I stay organized and how I prioritize things so that I can have so many things going. Really just that organization piece is definitely a key for me to keep so many things moving forward. So it was time to get this one down for a nap. He definitely needed it, and I wanted to come in and just, as he's napping, make the best use of that time. So I started getting some chores done around the house and got dinner started for tonight. As I was doing those things, I was thinking about how important it is to make the most of that time when the baby's down and to be as productive as possible. When you have as many things going as we do around the house, from the farm to just general homekeeping, keeping kids fed, which if you're a mama, then you know thinking about meals 3 times a day can sometimes feel like a full-time job in and of itself. As well as homeschooling, which luckily we're off homeschool this week, so we're able to kind of focus in on other areas. But as I was getting those things done, I was just thinking about a few things that help me to be more productive with all of the things that we have going on. The first thing for me is definitely list keeping. I keep a number of lists in my daily planner, which I'll link in the description below, as well as on my phone. in the notes section. I keep running lists for various things that I don't want to forget or that we have coming up, and that just works for me. I am a list maker, and I think that it's important for everyone to kind of come up with the systems that work best for you and your household, but lists definitely do the job. Something else that I do that goes a really long way is that while there are little tasks that need to get done every day, the laundry, the cooking, the caring for the children, I really try to have a focus each day of what I really want to hone in on for that day. For example, if we have a lot of homeschool work that we need to get done, that is the focus for the day. I don't try to have any other big tasks to get done that day. If I have something with work, a project going on, a website that I need to get finalized and launched, then that's my focus for the day. I'm not as worried about the other things going on. So I kind of categorize my days depending on what I have going on. Right now, as it stands, Monday tends to be my heavier work focused day. Tuesdays tend to be a heavier school focused day. Wednesday is a farm focused day. Thursday kind of goes either way, depends on what we have going on. And then Fridays is more focused on activities for the kids. So things to do or activities that they're involved in. And so it just kind of ebbs and flows with the seasons, but having a single focus each day really helps significantly with not feeling like I'm always behind. And then the third thing that I do, and I can tell a significant difference when I don't do this, is that on Sunday evenings, I really reset for the week and I get my thoughts around what our week is going to look like and what we need to achieve that week, what projects we have going on around the farm, so on and so forth. I also plan, you really look at my workload for the week. I look at our activities that we have going for the week. For example, if we have 4-H or we're getting together with friends or families or birthday parties, whatever that may be, and assess what that looks like, as well as what school we want to get done as well, how many lessons for each child we want to achieve, as well as any nature studies or science units, history that we want to get done. So I really just get everything planned out, teed up, ready for the week, and that makes a significant difference. Something else I try to do on Sundays, and this is a focus day too, is really have like a cooking focus day, and I prep out as much as I can on a single day. For example, I cooked up a bunch of beef the other day, and then tonight what I'm doing is I'm gonna cook some rice as well as some veggies and turn that ground beef into some rice bowls. So super easy, but it really just goes a long way to have certain things prepped out and kind of stretch it out throughout the week and make a variety of different meals with a certain meat choice like chicken or beef. So those are just a few things on my mind, ways to stay more productive if you have a lot going on in this spring season. And I hope that these are something that might be able to help you guys. I know it definitely helps me. If you haven't subscribed to our new YouTube channel yet, I hope that you will go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Leave us a comment on ways that you stay productive and things that help you stay organized as well. And I hope that you'll tune in for the next one. Thanks so much for watching.